How to use the price book on the WorkZen platform. Navigate to Tools on the left-hand side and select Price Book. Here, you will find 3 categories presented to you. Your products category encompasses all of your parts. Your service categories cover all of your labor times. And finally, your warranty categories. You can select product categories, for example. From here, you can add subcategories. I've separated them into electrical parts and mechanical. To add a new item, simply press the New Item button. Type in your item's name, cost, price, and description. Upload a photo of your part for visual reference along with the stock keeping unit code. You can also add tax from this section. The item has now been created. You can add it to any invoice or estimate you choose. To proceed, I will navigate to my finances and select the estimates. After opening my estimate, I will simply go to Actions. Press Edit, then add an item in the Items section. Now, if I search for my electrical wiring, it will appear here. Once selected, I can adjust the price and cost. My wiring has been added to the job. Now, I will ensure to press Save. The items have now been saved to the estimate.